So hello guys, welcome to my new vlog. So today you will be seeing the street Baneswar to Pashupatinath temple. I'm here with my 4 or 5 of my friends who are heading towards the Pashupatinath temple to worship, as it is the new year of Nepal, that is 2082. Yes, we are living in 2082. You can see that the city, the Kathmandu city is really so beautiful. The places are really so imagine with the beautiful roads. The stationery shop is here. Also, we are new here, and even though we are trying our best to reach out this video to the many peoples, and yes, please subscribe the YouTube channel. Hit towards the comment. This is the temple. Aarti is going on. Nepal is really famous for its Hindu temple. There are lots of temples. People comes and worship here from the different countries. They are really so good. So as I told you that Nepal is really famous for its beautiful temples and all. Like there are different temples in Nepal, like Pashupatinath temple, Shambhunath, Bauddha, and many more. It's a very small street, even though the traffics are really so high, and the tempo are found like this in this Kathmandu street. You can see. So to cross the road, we need to cross with the zebra crossing that is here. You will find everywhere the zebra crossing. It's really so safe to travel in Kathmandu. The one who is watching me, my vlog, yeah, you can come here. Foreigner, from any country like France, America, from any country, you can come and visit. It's really so beautiful country. Just pack your bag and just come here to Nepal and flying to the air or whatever the transportation system you do have. Hello, welcome. How are you doing?
Thank you, buddy, for inviting me in your blog.
Yeah.
I'm so excited to have my opinions.
Yeah. Let's go slowly.
Okay. I'm happy for my content in this video, and I would love to share that burning Nepal is being so grateful for a country.
So tell me.
Yes.
Like you have been living here since?
I have been born here. I was grown up in this country, same country. I have been living here right now, so
nice.
all of my life has been spent here.
Okay, that's really nice. So tell me, how do you feel about Nepal?
It's a very good question, by the way. I feel grateful for being in the country with such a natural beauty, and yes, I'm quite happy.
Okay, that's really nice. Yes, we are heading towards Pashupatinath temple. We'll let you know very soon. So we are near Pashupatinath temple, and yes, so can you please tell something?
Hi, this is me Cristiano Ronaldo. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, subscribe.
So this is the street. This is the street of Pashupatinath temple. We are watching this. It's really beautiful. The trees, the color, everything. It's so incredible, isn't it? Yes. can see this. You will find many monkeys here. The monkeys. I'm just scared that if they will snatch my phone, how won't I able to record? Yes. This is the view, outside view of Pashupatinath temple. One girl was staring at me. That's really so strange. I'm not so handsome even though. Yes, many people have visited here. Like people come from different countries, you know, from China, from America, London, Germany, France, Paris, many. You can see that's a very high risk. If you are putting your slippers here, it is very high risk to put. It will be vanished when you return back after worshipping. So be sure. Who was that? Who was that? So you can see this ambulance where the sub is there, like body, a dead body, and they are going for the funeral. Like these are the bamboos, and you can see this is a dead body that is being burned, and bamboos are here. So basically at the right here we wish to worship to the god, that is Lord Shiva, and also at the back of the Pashupatinath temple the dead bodies are burned.
अब कहाँ गए चोर पुलिस खेलता है
So you have seen the videos. I couldn't able to explain nicely. I will be explaining it later. But yes, we are returning back to our home. We are heading towards. See. So this is the back of Pashupatinath temple. We'll let you know very soon. The next day I will be going to the I will be entering to the new Pashupatinath, like from the main gate. As I couldn't able to show you the view from inside. It is the outside of the Pashupatinath temple where the dead bodies are born. Right now you can't see any dead bodies. There is very few. There is also a scientific reason behind this. Let me know in the comment section what are the scientific reasons. And we are heading again. Before it was really so crowded, but right now everyone went because the aarti just finished. The temples. Let me show you nicely. This is the view. This is the view where dead bodies are born. Like you can see, one dead bodies are born there, and another isn't available. It's not available here right now. But you can see. So right, the aarti has finished and everyone went there on home. So yes, you can see this is the main gate of the Pashupatinath temple. And you are seeing this. This is a kind of like when you enter to the Pashupatinath temple from main gate. This is the main mandir where people used to worship. Now we're heading towards the temple right now because it's already 8 o'clock and the mandir will close. The temple will close. We will be closed.
You will be closed. Really sat down.
Yeah. So you can see the view. Let me show you clearly. See, the flowers are kept in a very good way. Is the road that goes straight toward the main temple, and the golden gate that you are seeing right now, the golden gate, that is the main temple. See, this is the main temple. From there you will be entering towards the main temple. Yeah, you can see the Hanumanji is here. They are getting blessed. People come here from different countries to worship the Pashupatinath temple, to worship the Pashupati god. Well, when you enter that gate, the mobiles are not allowed. So maybe I can't able to show you. So this is the truth. You can't find anywhere, like you can't find anywhere the photos or the videos of the inside a Pashupatinath temple. You can't find the people are not allowed to take the phones. So this is the view. Temple is closed right now.